Today, we're going to fill in missing formulas in SF10. So let's input first the grades of the pupil. For the second quarter, then the third quarter, and the fourth quarter. Now we notice that these cells here are blanks. All we need to do is highlight the cell up, then look for the plus sign, then drag down. So it's now filled up with the same formula. Then as for here, we can also do that by dragging the plus sign to the right. But we can also do this. For example, if you have the cells on the right of the blank cells, we can copy the cell, then paste it along with the formula. So this one, we're going to copy from the same column and from the same row. So this is from the row, from the column, and this one also. Here we can also copy, drag, highlight, just right click, then drag. Because the grade is 86, so it should not be remedial, it's promoted. So we can write promoted. So this is it.